Now we're going to learn the free releases. The free releases are part of the definition of earth, and the definition of earth and foundation are almost very, very similar. And the release of earth and foundation, we do the movement that you just did before, which was the suspended balance, releasing the spine forward. So we're going to learn how to release earth and foundation, how to release expansion, and how to release heaven. So I'm going to do it, just observe it, and then after we'll give you instructions about what you're seeing and how to interpret the placements and the connections. Yes? Okay, so we'll start in 0.6, 7, and 8. Inflowing wave. We touch, we descend to foundation, and we define earth. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we define earth a second time. 3, 4. Once we define earth the second time, we release foundation and earth through this invisible spiral, which take it to return into crown. And now the movement is called offering self. Beautiful. The second, we touch the foundation, we touch earth, we unfold to expansion, which is right there. We descend into crown, inflowing wave to foundation, touching earth right there, unfolding to expansion, and now enter the transversal connections of the spiral of the spine. Arriving, entering crown. This is called offering self, arriving to expansion. The third movement is the inflowing wave, arriving to foundation, touching earth, connecting to expansion, going to heaven. Touch the connection of heaven, unfolding both sides to infinity, touching expansion, follow the flow until crown, inflowing wave and foundation, and now the release of heaven. Earth, expansion, heaven. This is the largest release. Enter the transversal connections, encircling the spiral, connect to suspended balance, entering crown, touching infinity just as you did before, moving the center of gravity to expansion, keep moving until you arrive to crown, and in crown you arrive to foundation to complete the movement. 3 and 4, and here we are, and the free releases. Now, as you can see, what we're doing is that first we define the connection, like we define earth one time, and then we'll return to foundation, and then the second time that we define earth, we'll release earth and foundation through the whole spine, and the release. Then the second time, we define expansion from earth, and we define it, and then we descend from it, and then the second time, once we touch earth and we connect it to expansion, then we release expansion into the whole spiral of the spine to come back again, and we offer it back into expansion. And then the third one is the same thing. We raise it, we go to heaven, and then we descend from it all the way down, and then the second time that we go to heaven, we release the whole movement through the whole spine to suspended balance. Then we enter crown, and now we raise all the inner mandala with the outer mandala again, all through all the centers. Okay? So let's practice now, again, one more time. Actually, I'm going to do it one more time. Just observe it, because many things are happening through the diagonals as I moving my arms to arrive with touching balance, and then we'll do it diagonal so you can see much more what's happening in space. All right? So let's start. Remember, one definition, one release. The definition of earth, and the second time that we define earth, we release it. The definition of expansion, and we descend. The second time that we touch expansion, we release it. The definition of heaven, we come down. The second time we define earth, heaven, we release it. Okay? So, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, foundation. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The definition of earth. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. That's the second time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Raise in the centers, encircling the spiral. This is count 2, 3, entering count 4, offering self. 2, 3, 4. The second definition, 2, 3, and 4. First definition is earth. Second definition is expansion. Right. We'll descend. 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We touch earth. We'll continue with the way to expansion. And now we'll release expansion. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Entering crown. 3 and 4. And now offering expansion. All the way around me. Descending. 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1. Earth. 3, 4. 2, 3. Touch heaven. Unfold into infinity. Continue touching expansion right there. Continue with the motion touching crown. 2, 3, and 4. Now the second time, continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Encircling heaven. And now this is a big, big release. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the momentum take you all the way up through infinity, taking you to expansion, taking you to crown, complete into foundation, outflowing wave, and crown. And we have completed very gently the 3 releases. Thank you.